Hi friends, today we are going to see how to make mini puff pastry pies. For making this we need puff pastry sheets, baking chocolate and strawberry jam. Roll the 1/3 of the pastry sheet and cut it into 8 rectangles. One full pastry sheet will make 24 small rectangles. Place half a spoon of jam on some of these rectangles and one piece of baking chocolate in some of these rectangles. Close these rectangles to make small pockets. Now using a fork, make patterns around the edge like this. This seals the pockets completely. Apply egg wash, it's optional. It gives a shine to the pastry. Using a knife, make small cuts like this on top. Now bake it at 375 for 25 minutes or till it's golden brown. Mini puff pastries are ready to be served.